Hello guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am bringing you a problem on conic section and special curves, which in this we have to draw a cycloid. So how to draw this cycloid by my basic skills and basic process, how to draw this cycloid I am going to show you. So practice it by yourself, then only you will come to understand, and it is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students. So please watch my videos till the end, and please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also press my bell icon to get you the notifications of each videos. So please watch the video till the end. Now I am going to start my question. A circle of 50 mm diameter rolls on a straight line without slipping. Trace the path of the point on the circumference of a circle for one complete revolution. Draw a normal and a tangent at any point on the curve. So this is the question. You have to draw a cycloid. To draw a cycloid, you need only a circle diameter that is given 50 mm diameter. So we have to draw a cycloid. Cycloid will be like this. So how to draw this with a circle? I am showing you. The diameter is given 50 mm. So you have to take 2.5 centimeter on divider, means diameter half. So take a circle here. You have to draw a circle first. Okay. Then after you have to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So first you divide it into 2, then 4. Now take your protractor and keep on the middle of the circle, circumference of the circle. Take 30 degree from here, put a dot, and on 60 also you put a dot. Okay, and from here same 30 degree and 60 degree. Okay, then after take a minute after where your pointer you have put it, adjust your scale on the dot and circumference and draw a diagonal like this in the circle, and same for the other point also. Adjust your scale with that point and circumference, draw a diagonal. The same process for the other points also, like this. Like this, and you label it as origin of the circle as O, and here 0, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash. Okay, O will be also of 12 dash, and then after you have to draw a line according to this line here, perpendicular line here, but how much? We have to calculate by the formula pi into d. So it is a circular. Pi into d, diameter given is 50 mm. So 157 mm we have to draw this line. So from here you have to draw a 157 mm line till here, like this. Okay, and then from O also you have to draw 157 mm like this, and this from here also you have to draw like this. Then draw this line, join this line by 1. Then after from this 11 and 1, keep your mini drafter, parallel lines you have to draw like this. From each point you have drawn, no, from there you have to draw. Then after you have to divide this 157 into 12 equal parts. So you have to divide 157 into 12 means 13 mm you will get. Each part you will get 13 mm. So take your mini drafter, 13 mm you put on that line. 13. Each part will be 13 mm. So carefully do this parts. Okay, after dividing into 12 parts, label as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this will be 12. Then after you have to draw perpendicular lines from this each numbering points from 1 till this O line, middle line O. Okay, label it as O1. Then from 2, this will be O2, then from 3, this will be O3, 4, this will be O4, and from this will be O5, this will be O6. Each point you have to draw perpendicular lines till O line and label as O1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. O10, and this will be O11, and last one is O12. Then after you have to measure this circle radius. How much is it? Total diameter of the circle is 50. So take it as half, means radius you have to measure on the divider. Then keeping on O1, one line means this is the 1 dash line. This one line, parallel lines you have drawn now. On that you have to put an arc. On O1, and this point will be P1. Label it as P1, and same from the 25 mm from O2 you have to take, and second line which is this line, second line. Label it as P2, this point. Then from O3, keeping on O3 line, this one, this will be O3. Okay, then same process for fourth line, this will be P4. Then from 5, this will be P5. And for 6 you will have on the middle of this line. So with this scale you will have here, that will be P6. Okay, then from P7 line, this point will be P7. Then from 8, this will be P8. From 9, this will be P9. From 10, this will be P10. From 11, this will be P11, last P12. All points you will get of the cycloid. This is the cycloid point. So with your free hand, you have to draw a curve. First you draw in faint from O, starting from O to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, then P4, then P5, then P6, then P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, then 12. Now your cycloid is complete. You have to darken this one. Your cycloid is constructed. Now then after you have to also remove the normal and tangent as given in the question. Here draw a normal and a tangent at any point on the curve. So you have to take a point anywhere on this curve. So I am taking here and putting as P. Okay, then from here you have to take a divider and measure the diameter of this circle, and by measuring and keeping on P, you have to put an arc on this O1 line, and that point you label is as O. Here it is meeting. and from here you have to draw a perpendicular line downwards according to this line. So then you label it as this line as O and N, and from N to this P your normal has been removed. So dark it, make a line and dark it, and this line is called normal. Okay, and according to the normal there is a perpendicular line according to the normal. So construct a perpendicular line from here, and this will be the tangent. Label it as S and T. ST will be your tangent. Okay, you have removed normal and tangent according to the question also, and you have to show the dimensions as given in the question. Only circle diameter he has given you. So draw the extension line from this circle and dimensioning line like this, and diameter symbol write it as 50. This is the complete solution of a cycloid. So please guys, if you like my videos, share, like and subscribe my channel, and please press on my bell icon as given in my channel, and you will get the notification of my videos. Please share, like and subscribe, and also practice by yourself, then only you will come to understand. Thank you.